Adding Calendly to your GoDaddy website allows visitors to easily schedule appointments directly from your site. Here's how to do it. Get your Calendly link. First, log into your Calendly account and navigate to the event you want to share. Click on Share and then select Add to Website. Choose your preferred embed option, such as inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Copy the HTML code provided. Log into GoDaddy. Access your GoDaddy account and navigate to your website builder dashboard. Edit your page. Go to the page where you want to add the Calendly link. Click on Edit to open the page editor. Add an embed code section. In the page editor, look for an option to add the custom HTML or code section. This may vary depending on your website builder within GoDaddy. Paste the Calendly code. Insert the Calendly embed code you copied earlier into the HTML or code section. Adjust and save. Resize or reposition the embedded section as needed. After making your changes, save or publish the page. Test the integration. Visit your site to ensure the Calendly scheduling option appears and functions correctly.